Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for healthcare clinics, and it's integrating a voice AI agent into the Juvonno EMR system. So if you're running a clinic, you already know how busy things can get. Phones are ringing nonstop, staff are burned by paperwork, and patients are frustrated with long waits. Juvonno is already the backbone of a lot of clinics, of many clinics, just for handling records, appointments, billing, reporting, things like that. But when you connect your Juvonno EMR with a voice AI agent, you unlock a whole new level of automation and efficiency within your clinic. So yeah, so basically one of the main challenges for clinics are that manual workflows are slow. And so even with a strong platform like Juvonno, maybe many clinics struggle with manual tasks that create bottlenecks, right? Receptionists can only talk to one person at a time. Errors could be made, and handling double bookings and scheduling conflicts like that may be an issue. But integrating a voice AI agent with Juvonno EMR will definitely smooth out that entire process for you. So this is a little bit of tech talk here. It's called like a JSON body. So basically, when the client is speaking to the voice AI agent, and for now, actually, I'm just going to call her, let's call her Julia for now, okay? I hate saying voice AI agent so much, but let's say they call into Julia. Julia will then, ask them for the patient information, and this is kind of what the information that would be sent over. This is obviously very customizable depending on your clinic, but this is the information that we sent over to the Juvonno EMR, and then that's how contact can be created. And once a contact is created, you can then book an appointment for them, and then they'll be sent a confirmation. So, like I was just talking about, the first use case is automated patient intake and registration. So, uh, by default, staff often spend hours replying to retyping patient details, managing scheduling conflicts, or calling patients back after missed calls. It's a manual, repetitive, and prone to error process. And so automating this workflow with a voice AI agent would definitely help your clinic run smoother and not burden your frontline staff so much. It's a very simple process. They call in, the data is captured. We do a search in the Juvonno EMR, and if the client already exists, we just book that client with that information. If not, then we just create a new client and send the new client that's in your system confirmation that their appointment's been booked. This saves times for clinics, it reduces errors and duplicates, and it just makes a great and faster first impression and just maintains consistency across all channels. And so the second use case I want to get into is uh, is appointment scheduling 24/7. So if I get sick at 10 p.m. tonight, I'm not feeling well, and all the clinics are closed at 6. I want to make sure that I'm going to be taken care of, and I don't want to wait till 9 o'clock in the morning to kind of figure that out. So with the voice AI reception, sorry, with Julia, sorry, you'll be able to just call in anytime 24/7. It'll check if the appointment availability is there and then book the client, and then they'll get confirmation. And that's kind of the main thing we've seen on the patient journey that people want. They just want to be replied to quickly when they're experiencing any type of pain, and then get confirmation that someone's going to take care of them as soon as possible. And for clinics, there's no more missed calls. It's convenience for your patients that they can book anytime. Saves a lot of time on your frontline staff. And obviously, if you don't have people working after close, after 5, after 6, you don't have an after hours person handling phone calls. This is a great alternative. The third use case is for patient reminders. And so, sometimes patients will book a appointment a week, 2 weeks in advance. Everyone has a busy schedule. Those things kind of may slip the mind. So the Juvonno EMR is definitely capable of sending out reminders, text messages, emails, just to let patients know. So that reduces no-shows, and it also will increase your appointment to conversion ratio. It dramatically reduces no-shows, like I said. It keeps patients engaged and informed, improves long-term care compliance, and strengthens the patient-provider relationship, which is huge because a lot of patients would just be turned off by a poor experience at a clinic and just move on to another one. So if you kind of want to retain the clients that you have, this would definitely be a great solution. The fourth use case is multi-location and multi-provider scheduling. So if you're a single clinic, this may not be necessarily for you, but if you're a larger one, you have multiple clinics, it may be difficult to have, one set of frontline staff handle all those calls with all those locations. Things to get confused, errors could be made. So again, incorporating the voice AI agent into the Juvonno EMR would get rid of those problems, smooth out that work process. It'll prevent double bookings, simplify complex scheduling, make it a seamless patient experience. And like I said, if you're starting off with one clinic, but then you're thinking of growing into multiple clinics, it's definitely scalable for growth. And the last one that I wanted to talk about is data analytics and workflow optimization. So you're able to see in the Juvonno EMR kind of dashboards that would give you data like patient volume trends, provider utilization rates, and call to appointment conversion rates. And then, clinic managers, doctors can make data-driven decisions based on all this information. And we've seen a lot of clinics really improve the efficiency of their clinic by incorporating the voice AI agent into their Juvonno EMR. They're extremely happy with it, actually. It's really a game changer, and even the frontline staff that they do have already aren't overwhelmed or burnt out from trying to do multiple things all the time. They have that assistance that they need, and they can also capture calls after hours, which is like a huge game changer for them because those things were just going to going to voicemail, and they're kind of missing out on those patients to become part of their clinic. So if you want to get started with the Juvonno integration, if you already have Juvonno and you'd like a voice AI agent to be integrated into it, you can give us a shout at peakdemand.ca. My name is Courtney. Just book an appointment with us and we can get you set up. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.